Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something that's going to make your life a whole lot easier. The reliahom broom holder mop hanger wall mount metal organization system. This, my friends, is hands down the best broom and mop holder on the market. Stick around, because we're about to dive into all the fantastic features of this must-have home organizer. Let's get started by talking about the key features of the reliahom broom holder. First and foremost, it's built to last. This broom holder is made with a solid metal baseboard and stainless steel grip. It's not just sturdy, it's waterproof and designed for long-term use. One thing I absolutely love about this product is its flexibility. The racks and hooks can be rearranged and removed, so you can customize it to fit your tools perfectly. No more struggling to find a spot for that odd-shaped broom or mop. Installation is a breeze. It's a one-handed push system, meaning you can easily take items in and out with just one hand. The non-slip grip secures your tools in place. Now, let's talk practicality. This broom holder is a space saver. It allows you to neatly organize a variety of household objects. Whether it's in the laundry room, kitchen, bathroom, utility room, garage, or even the garden, it's got you covered. And here's something you can always count on: great customer service. If you run into any issues with the broom holder, their after-sales team is ready to assist you promptly. Now, you might be wondering what exactly you can hang on this fantastic organizer. It's designed to hold brooms, mops, gardening supplies, and tools of various sizes. With 4 stainless steel racks, each capable of holding up to 5 pounds. And 5 upgraded hooks, each with a 10-pound capacity, you'll have no problem keeping everything in order. Alright, let's talk about the installation process. But before we do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're finding it helpful. Gather your tools and the broom holder. You'll find everything you need for installation in the package, including screws and instructions. Mark the desired location on the wall, drill the holes, and attach the broom holder securely using the provided screws. By the way, this broom holder comes in a sleek silver color, so it'll blend seamlessly with your home decor. And just like that, you've got a tidy and organized space. No more tripping over brooms and mops. It's a game changer. So, there you have it, folks. The reliahom broom holder mop hanger wall mount metal organization system is a practical, durable, and space-saving solution for your home. If you're tired of clutter and looking for the best broom and mop holder out there, this is it. I've personally tried it out, and I can confidently say it's a fantastic addition to any household. Don't miss out on the opportunity to keep your tools organized and your space clean. That's a wrap for today's review, but before you go, let me know in the comments below if you've used a similar product and what your experience was like. And, of course, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more product reviews and recommendations from Product Critique. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, stay organized and stay awesome.